You don't need to spend a ton of money to make unique and stunning Christmas gifts this season. I'm heading to Dollar Tree with the goal in mind to have about $5 to $10 for each gift. I found this fantastic snack container. It's so unique. There's two sections and they screw together in the middle with a little dip container. I don't want to use this for my snack. I want to use this as a fun container for a gift. Now this gift would be perfect for a family member, friend, teacher, bus driver, you name it. I found this pink themed manicure set and then I wanted to find matching nail polish, so I found this light pink nail polish. And then to match the rest of the manicure themed gifts, I'm picking up this hand cream. So to begin, I'm opening up the container, taking all the labels off, and then filling the bottom of the container with shredded paper, and you can also find this at Dollar Tree. One little tip that I love to make inexpensive gifts look so much better is to think of a theme for the gift, whether that is a manicure set, a pedicure set, food related, anything like that. And then also think of a color theme for the packaging, and this is going to make your gift look so much more put together, even if all of your items are from a place like Dollar Tree. After the paper shred is in one side of the container, I'm putting the pink nail polish and the hand lotion inside. Then in the other side of the container, I'm putting more of that paper shred in the pink tone and opening up that manicure set and putting that inside. Then I'm carefully closing that container, making sure all of my elements are kind of peeking out of that container to make it look fun. And then I found this sticky glitter ribbon at Dollar Tree. If you can find this, it is such a great find. It's so sparkly and you could use this for gift wrapping, you could use it for scrapbooking, you could use it for decor. I'm peeling off the backing and applying that to the center of this container. I found this mint green colored eyelash yarn at Dollar Tree as well. I'm taking that and some red and white classic Christmas twine and tying those both around the center of this container. My next tip for making gifts from the Dollar Tree look a lot more high-end is adding custom tags to them. And I have so many free printable Christmas gift tags for you. You can find them at the DIYmommy.com. I will link them below. I have these ones that I created here specifically for this video, or I have dozens more styles if you want a different style of Christmas tag. You can print these off on your home printer, cut them out, put a little hole punch in the top, and tie them to your gifts. I made these ones in pink, mint green, and red to match all of the packaging in today's video, so everything is color coordinated and is fun to gift. And now I have this beautiful manicure themed gift set that I am going to give to a teacher or a bus driver or a friend. It cost me about $5 US, $6 Canadian, which is such a budget friendly gift, and I think it looks so cute. For this next gift idea, I found these iridescent jars in the jar section at Dollar Tree. They have this beautiful rose gold lid, so I took two of these because I think these could be perfect for jar gifts. I love a good jar gift. We're gonna make some homemade taco seasoning for this first one. So this would be perfect for a neighbor, for parents, anybody that loves to cook. And tacos are one of those things that I think a lot of people love to make, especially busy families. This recipe makes a lot of seasoning and it's gonna fill this jar about halfway. So you're gonna grab a bowl and a spoon. You can buy all of these seasonings in bulk at a place like Costco or Bulk Barn, and then you can make several of these all at once. We're gonna start with 4 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of ground paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Once you have all these ingredients in your bowl, mix them up, and then carefully pour them into your jar. You're going to want to make sure that you clean and sanitize your jar prior to putting the spices inside. Now what makes this cute is going to be how we decorate this jar. I love this twine ribbon from Dollar Tree. I'm tying this around the neck of the jar, and then I'm attaching some gift tags. So I created these for free just for you as well. So I have a taco seasoning mix gift tag that tells your recipient exactly how to use their taco seasoning mix. And then my favorite tag to pair with this is the Season's Greetings tag because it's kind of a play on the seasoning word. Love that. I'm just tying those together with some twine and attaching that to the neck of the jar. Now I have this amazing practical gift that so many people are gonna love. I think I'm gonna make these as neighbor gifts this year and make a whole bunch to give away this holiday season. If you have hot chocolate lovers in your life, this next gift is perfect for them. I found this adorable frosty mug at Dollar Tree. Also found this delicious looking hot chocolate mix, these cookies, and this little pack of sprinkles perfect for hot chocolate. I'm also picking up these red and white peppermint candies. This gift is really simple to put together. I'm putting a few of the candies in the bottom to make everything kind of stick out of my mug. Then I'm adding the package of cookies, the package of hot chocolate, red and white straw that I found from Dollar Tree as well, and the sprinkles to the mug. I'm finishing off by adding a few more of those peppermint candies. Now I'm taking some more of that mint green colored eyelash yarn and pairing that with some red and white twine and tying a DIY gift tag around the handle of the mug. So now this one, if you want to gift it, I would probably wrap it up with cellophane and then another bow around the neck of that, or you could just pop the whole thing in a small gift bag. I feel like this is a gift that almost anybody would love, so if there's somebody on your list that you're not sure what to give them, make them this really simple Dollar Tree DIY hot chocolate mug, and I think it's going to be a big hit. This next gift idea is perfect for that little person in your life, so for me, I think I'm going to give this one to my niece. So easy to put together, and you could really customize all of the things inside this cup to really suit the recipient. So I know that my niece loves Minnie and Mickey Mouse, and Dollar Tree has so many of those licensed characters. I found some press-on nail stickers, some other stickers. I found this washcloth that's a magic one, opens up, put it in water, it expands. And then to match all of this pink, I found this pink cup. I made sure the pink cup was big enough to put all of the elements inside. I got some more of that paper shred, put that in the bottom, and then I put the washcloth package on the bottom, then the rolls of stickers, and then the nail stickers beside that. Then I put the top back on the cup and taking some more of that beautiful sparkly glitter stick-on ribbon, taking off the backing, applying that around the top of the cup, more of that mint green eyelash yarn, tying that around that, and adding a DIY gift tag. This one is so easy, only around $5 as well. And again, you can customize what's inside to really make the recipient smile. Let's do another gift in a jar. So here again, I am using one of the beautiful iridescent Dollar Tree jars that I found. Again, make sure that you wash and sanitize this first. You can do it in the dishwasher or you can do it in boiling water. We're gonna make some amazing smelling DIY sugar scrub. Sugar scrub is fantastic. You can use it as a natural exfoliant on your skin, and I did make a custom tag that you're going to be able to put on the sugar scrub at the end to make sure that your recipient knows exactly how to use it. To make the scrub, get a clean bowl, a clean spoon, and put about 1.5 cups of nice coarse sugar inside. So you can use that raw sugar, you can use organic sugar. The rougher the better, the bigger the grains the better, and that's going to work the best as a scrub. Next, you're gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. So start with 2 and then mix it all up and see what the consistency is like. You don't want it to be too liquidy, but you also don't want it to be dry. You want it to have a consistency where you can put it on your skin and it stays there, and then you can rub it in to do the natural exfoliation. Once you've mixed those 2 ingredients together, you can add a few drops of peppermint extract. And I like to use the food grade peppermint extract. Not a huge fan of using essential oils if I'm not exactly sure what my recipient's reaction to those would be. So just using peppermint extract, food grade, just a couple drops to make it have that beautiful festive peppermint smell. Mixing that all in together and then carefully placing that in my clean, sanitized Dollar Tree jar. Screwing that gorgeous rose gold lid back on. And then to finish off this beautiful gift, I'm taking a little piece of a Dollar Tree faux evergreen branch, just pulling that right off of the branch, taking some red and white Christmas twine and tying that around the neck of the jar. I am going to add this DIY sugar scrub tag, has all the directions for the recipient so they know exactly what to do with the scrub, and then a little greeting tag as well. This gift would be fantastic for a friend, for a coworker, anybody that wants a little bit of extra self-care on your list. This next Dollar Tree gift is so simple, so easy. I think I'm gonna make this one for the bus drivers. I think I'm gonna make this one for teachers as well. I love to give gift cards because I feel like that's a great way for people to get exactly what they want, especially when you don't know what to give them. So to make your gift card even better, grab one of these Jones sodas from Dollar Tree. I want a red one so it feels kind of festive. Grab a pack of the red and white paper straws, and then also the faux evergreen branch. Take your bottle of pop and then take some red and white twine, tie it around the neck of the pop. Take one of my free tags, take the gift card that you want to give, whether it's a $5 coffee gift card, something for a bookstore, whatever you think the recipient would love. Punch a hole in that. Make sure not to punch it in any of the important parts of the gift card, and tie that onto the twine with the gift tag, gift card, paper straw, and a little piece of that evergreen foliage. Such an easy gift, looks so cute, and just a really fun and unique way to give a gift card to somebody. I hope you found these Dollar Tree gift ideas helpful. As you think about what you want to give this Christmas season, let me know down in the comments below which of these gifts was your favorite, or if you have any other ideas on how you can package Dollar Tree items together to make them look beautiful, festive, and unique. I would love to know down in those comments below. If you want some more budget-friendly gift ideas, I'm going to share my favorite gift basket ideas with dollar store items right up here.